2:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles northeast of Carrollton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include East Liverpool, Wellsville, Carrollton, Calcutta, Chester, New Cumberland, Augusta, Salineville, Newell, Irondale, New Manchester, Stratton, Summitsville, Mackinac-Town, Hammondsville, Glenure, and Beaver Creek State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Jefferson, and Hancock, West Virginia,